Topic Comprehension. Hello student, I am Meera Singh and today we are going to learn an interesting topic in comprehension. So let's begin. Student, this is a story about a Gopal who is a bus conductor. Student, a bus conductor means a person whose job is to collect fares. Fares means the money paid for a journey on public transport. So student, a person whose job is to collect fares and sell tickets on a bus. Have you understood student? So bus conductors have many responsibilities including taking fares, issuing tickets, assisting passengers with luggage, advising them on their way to destination, and he also ensures the safety of passenger. So student, bus conductor also have some paperwork to do. For example, student, recording rent, taking care of timetables and even counting money. So student, let's begin. Gopal is a bus conductor. I see him daily in bus number 1 at 9 o'clock. He always smiles at me and says, "Nina, learn well and become a doctor." So students, Gopal is the name of a bus conductor and Gopal always there in bus number 1 because student, he is the bus conductor of that bus. So student, here Gopal always met Nina at 9 o'clock daily because Nina used to travel in bus number 1 at 9 o'clock. So when every day Nina enters the bus, Gopal smiles at her and says that, "Nina, learn well and become a doctor." So student, why Gopal is saying Nina to become a doctor? Student, maybe Gopal want to become a doctor but he is not able to, so he want to see Nina as a doctor. Today, Gopal did not smile at me. I asked, "Conductor uncle, are you angry with me?" Gopal said, "No." Later, I came to know that Gopal's son was not well. So student, when daily Gopal used to smile at Nina, one day Gopal looks little disturbed. That day he did not smile at Nina. So Nina is very much surprised that what happened to Gopal uncle? Why today he is not looking happy? So she asked, "Conductor uncle, are you angry with me?" But Gopal only said no and he moved from that place. But student, later Nina came to know that Gopal's son was not well, and this is the only reason why Gopal uncle is not looking happy. Have you understood student? He had to be admitted in a hospital, but Gopal did not have money. I felt that I had to do something. I went and told my school friends. Student Gopal's son had to be admitted in a hospital because he is not feeling well. So, as soon as possible, Gopal had to admit his son in the hospital. But student, for that, Gopal did not have money. So, when Nina came to know this, she felt that she had to do something for Gopal. Nita said, "We all will take money from our piggy banks and give it to Gopal." Sita said, "But that will not be enough." Then Rani had an idea. So student, when Nina went to school, she discussed all this problem in front of her friends. So Nita suggested that we all will take money from our piggy bank and give it to Gopal. Student, do you know who is Nita? Nita was Nina's friend. So, after hearing this, Sita said that this much money will not be enough. And after that, Rani said, "I have an idea." So, let's see student what idea Rani has. She said, "My uncle, who is a doctor, will come home at 6 o'clock. Why don't you all come to my house and talk to him?" Rani's uncle listened to all of us. Student, Rani said that her uncle, who is a doctor, will come home at 6 o'clock. Student, why Rani said this thing? Because Rani wanted that all her friends should come at her home and talk to her uncle, who is a doctor, so that her uncle should suggest something that how to help Gopal. He then said, "In my hospital there are some free beds, but Gopal will have to pay for the medicines." Next day, I told everything to Gopal. He agreed to pay for the medicines. So students, after that, Rani's uncle listened to all the problem which Gopal is facing. So, after listening the problem, Rani's uncle said that in his hospitals there were some free beds and he will help Gopal to get these beds. But Gopal will have to pay for the medicines. By hearing this, all the friends became happy. Next day, all the children told everything to Gopal, and by hearing all this, Gopal was very happy and he agreed to pay for the medicines. Other drivers and conductors helped his son become well. Now Gopal smiles at me when he gives me the ticket. Students, not only the children and Rani's uncle helped Gopal, but also the other bus conductors and drivers helped Gopal. Student, as we help our friends when our friend needs our help, in the same way, Gopal's friend also helped grow Gopal, and within a few days, Gopal's son became well. and now Gopal started smiling on Nina whenever he met her or when he gives tickets to Nina. So student, like this way, Nina's and her friends help Gopal to save his son's life. Now student, let's see answer the following questions. So the first one is, who is Gopal? So student, tell me, who is Gopal? Yes student? Correct. Very good student. So Gopal is a bus conductor. Now student, let's see the next question. So the next question is, which was the bus number Gopal worked for? Now here you have to tell me the bus number. Now tell me student. Yes. Correct student. Gopal worked for the bus number 1. Very good student. Now let's see the next one. Now student, let's see the next one. Question number 3. What does Gopal always smiles and tell Nina? Tell me student, what Gopal always tell Nina? Yes. Correct student. Gopal always smile and tell Nina, learn well and become a doctor. Very good student. Now let's see the fourth one. So the fourth question is, why did the conductor Gopal not smile at the Nina? Why Gopal not smile at Nina? Tell me student. Yes. Very good answer student. Gopal not smile at Nina because his son was not feeling well. And because of this reason student, Gopal is not happy. That's why he is not feeling to smile. Have you understood student? Now student, let's see this one. What did Nita say? So tell me student, what did Nita says? Yes. Nita said, we all will take money from our piggy banks and give it to Gopal. So children, Nita gave this suggestion to help Gopal. Now student, let's see the next one. What did Rani's uncle tell Nina and her friends? Yes student? Correct. Rani's uncle said, in my hospital there are some free beds, but Gopal have to pay for the medicine. Now student, let's see the next one. Now student, let's see the next one. Who helped Gopal to pay money for medicines? So now student, tell me who helped Gopal? Yes, correct student. Other drivers and conductors helped Gopal to pay money for medicines. Have you understood student? Now let's see the next one. What does Gopal do when he gives the ticket to Nina? Now tell me the answer student. Yes. Correct student. So the answer is Gopal smiles at Nina when he gives ticket to her. Now student, you have understood this story? Thank you student. Keep learning.